Hey everybody! Recently, a friend of mine gifted me a leather wallet kit, and I didn't know what to do with it because I don't know how to tool leather, but I wanted to make this wallet in my own colorful boho style. So I sat on it for a while and it finally came to me. I stenciled it with leather paints, and I put it all together using this colorful synthetic Sinew from Bead. It looks fantastic and I can't wait to show you how I did it. Are you ready? Let's make a wallet. The original wallet as we know it started its life in the 1300s and is generally described as a bag to carry valuables. It was around this time that wallets became smaller and more the size that we recognize today. The origin of the word wallet can be traced back from the ancient Greek word kibissus, which was the word used to describe the sack carried by the god Hermes. Kibissus has historically been translated as wallet. Native Americans acquired sinew from animals like deer, buffalo, moose, and elk. It's a strip of muscle which was turned into sewing thread, used as a cord to attach blades to handles, arrowheads to arrow shafts, and for bowstrings. I'm going to leave a link for Bead and everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2. Follow me on Instagram at @Mark Montano, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.